What is the answer of 32? Monica is raising hand. What about others? If you know, you should also raise your hand, Mahi. Only Monica is raising hand. And then Mahi Khan is also raising hand. What about Farabi? Farabi, you didn't try, Farabi?
Right. But I will solve this one.
You couldn't solve this one. Okay. Can you read, Farabi, this question?
The diagram shows an object O in front of a thin converging length of focal length f, at which point will the length form a sharp image of the object.
Okay. Object is O, right? You have the
Yes.
object O. So, how can you get it? By drawing ray diagrams, right?
Yes, sir.
So, did you try with drawing ray diagrams?
Yes, sir.
While you tried, can you show me in video on your copy? Can you show me the diagram
Yes, sir.
or you got the printed one? That one also can show the worksheet. The worksheet you got the printed one?
No, sir. Not
Not
yet.
yet. Okay, please do printing. For light one, we need printing must. This is mandatory, otherwise you'll not understand properly. Yeah. So Mahi, you got it printed. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So you do it on your worksheet. Did you draw the ray diagrams
Sir, no, I couldn't. I drew something else.
somewhere else? Okay, why did you
No,
draw?
I drew something else.
Okay, so can you show it to me in video?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, show it to me. Then I can understand it. Your drawing.
I did this.
So bring it more closer, more closer.
Oh, it's not focused.
Yeah. So you do. Where is your focal point? Your focal point is here at B, right? So the
Yes, sir.
parallel rays should go through B, not there, where you showed.
Oh,
It's wrong. The ray diagram rule is
okay.
if your ray is parallel to principal axis, it should go through focal point. Your focal point is here now B. Is it clear?
Sir.
Okay, so Monica, can you show your one, your drawing? Monica? Hello, Monica. Monica is there?
I am, sir.
Yes. Can you show your drawing, ray diagrams?
Sir, I did it in my mind because it was easy.
Okay, you did it in your mind. Then what is your answer?
The answer is D.
Answer is B. Okay, in your mind you drew, and it is correct. So your mind is a very good place to draw, right?
Yes,
Where,
sir.
where you get the correct answer. However, I'm showing it for all because they couldn't draw it in their mind and they couldn't draw it on your copy. So for them, we can show them, right? And also in your copy, you draw it, huh, Monica? Here on your worksheet copy, I'm saying that, yeah, here. Here is our object, right? So according to our ray diagram rules, one ray should be parallel, and that one will go through this B, right?
Yes.
This way. This way it will go. Then another ray, it will go through
From the
the
principal
optical center. Optical center. Say where should it go through? Optical center, right?
optical. Yes, sir.
And when it goes through the optical center, it's going without bending, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
So the position of the image is here. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you show the other one? Like, can you show the third one?
Third one, you can go through here. Actually, for getting the position of the image, two enough. Okay, if you draw two, that's enough. So other one will go through the principal focus this side, left side. Then here it will go parallel, right side it will go parallel, and it will go
Mm.
through this. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So done, huh?
Mm.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So when you are drawing this, you give the direction of the rays so that you can understand from where the rays are coming and where it is going.
Oh, yes, sir.
And Monica, like before, could you please send it in our group?
Okay.
Monica, are you sending?
Yes.
Farabi, Farabi, have you understood? Now 33. Yeah, Mahi, you read. Mahi, you read.
Okay, sir. The diagram shows a ray of light in glass. The ray reaches a boundary with air. One weak ray of light is missing from the diagram. Which statement is correct?
Okay, so when there is refraction, uh, and it is going from denser to rarer medium, other than having the refracted ray, Farabi, your side maybe it's making noise. Yeah, Farabi, can you check your microphone? It's making noise.
And now it is okay.
Yeah, the noise is coming from your side. Can you check your microphone?
Yeah.
Because our recording will not be good if there is noise.
Sir, now it is okay, sir.
Now it's better. Okay, thank you. Look, one weak ray will be reflected. Other than this refracted ray, in our notes, in our notes, we got this. Hmm, Did you see it, or can you remember it that in our notes we got that we
Yes,
had,
sir.
yeah, we had this. I'm showing you now so that you can remember it. We have this ray.
So the answer is B.
This ray is refracted ray. Okay, refracted
Yeah.
ray. This one. And other than this refracted ray, we have one weak reflected ray that is very weak. Uh, that's not like the ray is refracted. It's very weak, but there is like this. Huh? We just simply showing it here. There is one weak reflected ray. As it is reflected ray, this angle should be equal to, hmm, this angle should be equal to this angle, right? So if it is 40 degree, it will be also 40 degree. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it will be also 40 degree according to law of reflection. So here we are writing it, weak weak reflected ray. Weak reflected ray uh, follows law of reflection, follows law of reflection. Okay,
Yes.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
So, sir, the answer is D.
let's see what is the answer. What is the answer? Uh, we come to first Farabi, right? Farabi, what is our answer? Hello, Farabi. Yeah, what is the answer of 33? Yeah, Mahi was saying the answer is Dhaka. Is it correct? Hmm? Is it correct, Farabi? Yes, yes, it is correct. So Farabi is saying it is correct. Yeah. Now, Monica, can you send it also in our group?
Okay, sir.
Because it will be also a good record for us.
Done.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You also got the same answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Now it's turn for Monica. Monica, you read.
Light enters a transparent block. The light is refracted into the block and then strikes the top edge of the block at the critical angle. Which diagram correctly shows the angle of refraction R and the critical angle C? Mm. My answer is America A.
Mm, your answer is
Answer is A.
your answer is A. Then what about others?
So I was confused between. Oh no, yes, sir. My one was C.
You one is C.
Canada.
Your one is C. Why your one is C?
I got confused.
You got confused. Why confused?
Hmm.
Yeah, listen. One thing that that sentence I don't prefer, but for make it more memorable, I say sometimes. What is that? Should I say you? Hello, hello,
Sir,
Monica,
sir,
Farabi. There is one technique you will never forget it in your life. Should I tell the sentence?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes, sir.
So the sentence is always calculate calculate the angles from the normal if you are normal. If you are not normal, then you calculate it from other place. So is it clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Sir,
So
sir,
so
sir,
always
sir, sir.
always your angle should be calculated from normal, right? If you go with this rule, then what should be your answer now? Think. Monica also think. Mahi also think. Then Farabi also think.
My answer is still A.
Your answer is still A. So, do
Yes,
you
sir.
think they are labeling angle of refraction correctly? Are they showing it from normal?
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
wait.
So here is the uh, main thing, right? We have to label the angle from normal. And what is your answer? You got it right, Monica. You got your mistakes.
Yes, sir.
So what should be your answer? Mm-hmm. What's your answer now, Monica?
I'm confused.
Still, yeah. Look here. In A, in A, you write the rule. You write the rule better than you'll understand it. Yeah,
Sir, critical angle is from the normal to the refracted ray, right?
yeah. Yeah. Not refracted ray. It is critical
No, the
angle is
angle.
always angle of incidence. Always remember that. Uh,
Mhm.
so that point also you write here. First point is always calculate angles from the normal. Okay, this is first thing. This is first thing you have to remember. The second thing is what you are saying. That one. I am writing that one also. I'm writing that one also. Look here. Second point, what you said, critical angle. Number two, critical angle is angle of incidence. Is it clear? So it should be
Yes.
between incident ray and normal. Now look here, though here this one is refracted ray, but this is refracted ray for the first surface. But for the second surface, it is incident ray, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And here you see the angle is calculated from the normal refracted angle or angle of refraction. And also here we are getting the critical angle from the normal calculated. But here critical angle is okay in A, but angle of refraction is wrongly labeled in A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And for B, all are wrongly labeled. Both are wrongly labeled. For D, we have R is correctly labeled, but C is wrongly labeled. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So take the snap and send it also. So our answer is C, right? Mahi,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Your answer is correct. 34, the answer is C.
Welcome, sir.
So have you sent, Monica?
I'm gonna answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now 35. 35 is a nice question, easy question. Okay, if you understand, it's very easy. Yeah, can you read Farabi 35? Farabi?
Sir, can you repeat?
Yeah, 35 you read, please.
The diagram shows a ray of light incident on the surface of a rectangular glass block at 90 degrees to the surface, which quantities remain unchanged as the light enters the glass block.
Yeah, okay. So, which quantities remain unchanged as the light enters the glass block?
Yeah.
Yes, Mahi, are you singing song?
No, sir.
So, sound is coming. Why? Other than our class. Okay, look, what they are saying, which quantities remain unchanged as the light enters the glass block? We got one thing very common, that is always for the same source the frequency remains same. We got it in topic 13. Topic 13 we got it. Mahi and Monica, you missed topic 13. That's why I'm saying you again that frequency remains unchanged for the same source. So you write this note, eh?
তিন তিন কই গেল?
Yeah. So the first rule is frequency remains unchanged for the same source. Okay. So this is first rule about frequency. And second rule is, second one I'm writing here. Second one is direction. This one we did with you. Can you remember when we discussed the periscope one. Can you remember we discussed total internal reflection in periscope? There,
Yes, sir.
yeah, there we told you that if light rays are going through, uh, the glass block in a way that it's going across the normal, right? You see, normal is here, isn't it? So it's going across the normal, isn't it? Hello, through the normal. That time,
Yes.
yeah. So if it is going through the normal, then it will go,
Yes.
then it will go unbending, right? I am
Yes,
drawing
sir.
again. It's going unbending, and there is more information that I gave you. Like here is glass block, right? Here it is glass block. So in this glass block, when it comes, its speed decreases, right? Again, when it
Yes.
goes to air, is going to air, then speed increases, right? Isn't it? So also you write this related information. You see, I am writing all the related information here in glass block. In glass block, speed decreases, then in air, in air, speed increases. This one you know, right? If it is going to denser medium, speed decreases. If it is going to rarer medium, speed increases. Okay, now we have second point. Second point, what I said, if light travels straight, straight, in bracket you write through THROUGS, through the normal, then it does not bend. Is it clear now? So what should be your answer? Can you tell me, please? Ravi, Ravi, what's your answer now after getting all this information? Farabi, hello Farabi. Farabi, your microphone is not working. Yeah, Mahi, you tell me the answer now.
Sir.
Yes, the
Uh,
answer. Mahi, what's your answer? Tell me. After
sir.
hmm,
B.
you say Bangladesh or Dhaka? Which one?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. You are saying direction and speed unchanged. But
Yeah.
we said, you see, which quantities remain unchanged as the light
Oh,
enters the glass
unchanged.
block. You see, in
Oh,
glass block, speed
Oh,
decreases. We wrote it. And
I thought it was changed.
hmm. So, what is your answer now?
Sir, the first one. A.
Yeah, A.
America.
Direction and frequency. So, our answer is A. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Monica, you send it again, huh? In our group. Monica, please. Hello, Monica.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please send it, please. Okay, thank you. Now, one is left, right? Only one question is left, isn't it? 36. Only this one is left. So now it's Mahi. Mahi, can you read this?
Okay, sir. Light traveling in air enters a plastic block at an angle of incidence of 62 degrees. The
Hmm.
plastic has a refracted index of 1.448. What is the angle of refraction? Sir, it's C.
37 degrees. So how you got it?
N equals to sine I by sine, sine R by sine I.
Sine R by sine R or sine
No,
I by...
sine R by, yeah, sine I by sine R.
Yes, it should be sine I by sine R. Why? Because it's from rarer to denser, right?
Yes, sir.
If it is from denser to rarer, then it is sine R by sine I. So what's your answer? C.
Yes, sir.
What about Monica? You got the same answer. Monica,
Sir,
Monica,
wait a bit.
are you doing now?
I didn't do number 36.
Okay, do it now. Take it. Your answer is which one?
36. 36. My answer is C.
Yes,
37.
answer should be C. Sine I by sine
R.
R. Yeah, write it, everyone. Sine I by sine R, then your answer is R, right? R, you are going to find R, angle of refraction. So R is 37 degree. If you calculate, it comes 37 degree.
Yes.
Okay, so it's done. So we are done with the MCQ part, right?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. So we are going to have our second meeting after at 7:50. Okay, our second meeting will be 7:50. Before that, we are having one discussion. By these 2 minutes, we are taking decision about our extra class, makeup class on Saturday. Okay, what is my plan? Uh, if you don't have any problem or any other classes, then we can go for 9 to 10 o'clock. Is it okay for you?
No, sir. For me, it's not.
No problem. 9 to 10:30 we'll go. Will it be
9 to
okay?
10:30.
Hmm.
Sir, I have maths class that time.
When it starts?
9.
At 9 o'clock morning.
No, PM.
No, I'm talking about 9 a.m.
Oh. Oh, okay.
9 to 10:30 a.m. Monica,
Yes, sir.
But sir,
the
we have class in 7:30. I mean 7 in Saturday.
that is regular classes. That is regular classes, but makeup classes will be in the morning for Mahi and Monica only because you missed some classes in October. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, who is
Yes,
making
sir. Okay.
noise? In which side you are having noise? Please tell them to stop. Someone has to take responsibility to stop it. Yeah. So is it okay? 9 to 10:30 a.m. Monica and Mahi.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So that's final. Our makeup class will be on topic 13. 9 to 10:30 a.m. Saturdays. Okay. Every Saturdays. And our regular classes will be as it is. 7 to 8:30. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Join after 10 minutes.